Welcome to NotableHQ, the ultimate tool to transform how you organize, save, and share your research. Let us show you how. Getting started is effortless. Step 1. Install the NotableHQ extension. Visit the Chrome Web Store, search for NotableHQ, and click Add to Chrome. Then, pin the extension for easy access. Step 2. Create your account. Sign up for free or log in with your existing credentials. You can do this either on the website or through the extension. Your NotableHQ journey begins here, and everything is ready for you to start organizing smarter. Now, let us unlock the true potential of NotableHQ. Step 3. Create collections. From the dashboard, go to the Collections and click Create Collection. Add collection details and click Update. You can even create one directly from the browser extension. Step 4. Save content to the collection. Whether you are researching, reading, or browsing, you can save content to your collections in just a click using the NotableHQ extension. You can also add items to your collection directly from your dashboard. Publish and share. Publish a collection as a blog post easily. Make your collections public and share them with the NotableHQ community. Or create private links to share with colleagues, friends, or clients. Collaboration and knowledge sharing have never been easier. Now your content is safe, organized, and always accessible. Explore the community collections. Discover public collections curated by others. Search, bookmark, and upvote collections easily. Get instant access to fresh ideas and insights. It is your partner for smarter organization and more efficient workflows. Ready to get started? Sign up on NotableHQ today and see the difference it makes. Visit NotableHQ.com to learn more or get support anytime. With NotableHQ, staying productive has never been smarter or easier.